Good morning, everybody. We are Team 8. We are here to talk about our process management project, which is in the fast food industry. We've developed a process of our own, and to elaborate on it, let me speak about how the traditional process is. There is an inventory which is there, which stores all the supplies. Then there is an order which is processed by the customer, and there's a payment which is done to process the order. And then after the payment is done, the order goes for to be cooked in the kitchen, and then it is served to the customer. So we've made a slight variations into this process, and this is what Jingwen is going to explain in the next slide.
Our fast food company want to cooperate really tightly with the suppliers. After we got the supplier, we centralize process our food, and then we sell the much more expensive food to our retailers. And because we cooperate tightly with the suppliers, so we can use the existing delivery route to deliver our food. That is, the inventory cost will be much more lower because the order fee is lower, so we don't have to get so much food at the same time. And pre-prepared process is needed because we cannot finish the cooking process in very few time. And but the more prepared food we get, the perishable food will be get to the waste. So we want to sacrifice the variety of our menu to ensure that the lower waste. And after the customer has come, we change the traditional process to make the cooking process and the payment process at the same time. So the cooks don't need to wait for the payment to cook. It's reduced the flow time. So to lower the cost. In fact, there is no cost in the service compared to the traditional food restaurant.
With respect to our operation strategy, our primary focus is to minimize costs at every step of the process. We believe that this can be achieved through quality management, wherein we provide good quality food by maintaining a consistent production process and capacity management. This entails reordering and maintaining stock of our supplies by anticipating our customers' demands and also reducing wastage of our stock and resources. Supply chain management. This involves maintaining good relations with all of our vendors in order to minimize order costs and maintain our supply in bulk at all times. And inventory management, to keep track of what needs to be ordered based on requirement. And this is done because we should never be in a situation where we have an over excess of supplies, nor should we fall short of the demand. So in order to estimate all of this, we make use of the economic order quantity and the reorder point.
We have five main competitive priorities. First, speed, which is done by providing fast food to our customers while still satisfying their taste buds. Second, cost, where we aim to provide value for money food to our customers. Third, quality. This is ensured through our standardized production process. Fourth, flexibility, which is the ability to change operations in terms of having a mix of menu items, volume of production changes, time taken to produce new items, and innovation which is involved with it. And fifth, dependability, that is by delivering good quality food as per customer expectation. When we compare the speed of service to cost, we position ourselves somewhere near McDonald's and Wendy's, which is a low cost and quick service restaurant.
We have streamlined our process in such a way that we make use of minimum equipment to facilitate the preparation of the menu items quickly in bulk. The flow of order servicing in the kitchen is departmentalized in order to avoid any dependencies with any other cooking station. Since restaurant cleanliness is another factor that contributes towards the overall customer experience and is a crucial aspect of a restaurant's quality management, we have a checklist in place at the end of each day to ensure the same. Some of the items on the checklist are as follows: ensuring that all the equipment has been shut down and cleaned at proper times, discarding all perishable food items so that none of it is carried forward to the next day and we only use fresh food, then making sure that all the server stations have been restocked and cleaned, and finally accounting for all the sales that have taken place on a particular business day to ensure no accounting errors.
With regards to the continuous improvement process, we ensure that we align all our processes with Six Sigma by defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling our processes. We can achieve this by having efficient data collection and management systems in place so that we can use this data to benchmark ourselves against our competitors. By conducting frequent surveys, we can gauge customer satisfaction based on feedback provided with regards to the product and services at our restaurants. This can be used to detect any wasteful processes or bottlenecks in our processes and help us determine ways to reduce cycle time, customer wait time, etc. Last but not this least, building a quality circle of employees by providing training and enforcing healthcare standards during food preparation. This brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you so much and have a great day.